In Kerala, everywhere you look, nature invites you to pause, breathe, and feel the peaceful harmony of this land. But a long time ago, this beautiful land was ruled by King Mahabali. He is also known as Maveli, a ruler so kind, fair, and beloved that happiness, equality, and prosperity flowed through every village and home. His fame and goodness grew so great that even the gods became jealous of him. So the great Lord Vishnu decided to test the king. Vishnu disguised himself as a dwarf named Vamana. He approached Mahabali and humbly asked for just 3 steps of land. Mahabali smiled generously and agreed. But suddenly, Vamana grew huge. With his first step, he covered the earth. With the second, he reached the sky. For the third, he had nothing to offer, so he humbly bowed his head, and Vamana placed his foot on his head, sending Mahabali to the netherworld. Yet Mahabali's love for his people was so deep that Vishnu granted him a special gift, that every year he can return to see his kingdom alive with joy, unity, and abundance. This grand homecoming is what we celebrate as Onam. Vibrant Pookalams at every doorstep, flavorful sadyas shared with family, thrilling boat races, and laughter echoing through the lush villages and hills.